we have got our first look at the display of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This time, it was clear about the Ultra model's bezel size. Ice Universe claims that these screen protectors are for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and Ultra models. Here's what they look like. The S24 range will feature a symmetrical display on all three models. Surprisingly, the bezel size of the Ultra model is really small, much smaller than the 1.8mm stated by these guards. According to Ice Universe, the bezel size of the S24 Ultra will be 1.5mm, which is smaller than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The inclusion of these guards reveals a number of things. First, the Ultra model will no longer have a curved display, and second, symmetrical bezels will be present on all four sides. There are few features concerning the Ultra's display that are worth discussing. While Samsung managed to make their outside frame smaller for their product, it looks that they have a wider bottom bezel than their predecessor, the S23 Ultra. Another noticeable difference is that the camera hole on their selfie shooter is now significantly smaller. As verified by Ice Universe, the shift has occurred downhill. Also, by lowering the bezels, Samsung changed the display technology and will provide us with M13 panels that will have a stunning 2500 nits of peak brightness on all models of the Galaxy S24 series. The refresh rate of the Ultra's display may be the most significant difference. The big display on models such as the Galaxy S20 Ultra might sustain a rate of 120 Hz. However, recent models have been able to lower it to 1 Hz when on-screen activity is less active. According to Sam Lover, the Ultra's refresh rate might be increased to 144 Hz. While there are existing handsets with such a high refresh rate, they are usually gaming phones. Given that Samsung often touts the gaming advantages of its Ultra models, such as its CPUs, huge screens, and cooling systems meant to avoid performance difficulties, it's not out of the question that the S24 Ultra would have this feature. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.